In this question, we're looking at polygons built from unit squares. And you're interested in the number of sides that such a polygon can have. Now you have to be careful to distinguish between sides of the unit cells and sides of the polygon. So going from here to here is a side of a unit cell, but it's not a side of the polygon. The side of the polygon that arises there goes all the way across here. And I'm not going to be talking about sides of the unit cells at all. I'm only going to be talking about sides of the polygon. Now, there are many ways to approach this problem, lots of which won't work. And the colouring, which I put on this diagram, shows a method which will work, and it'll teach you something, for any possible polygon of this form. All of the horizontals are yellow, and all of the verticals are red. And as you go round, yellow, red, and so on, it alternates and it comes back with a red. It has to be, because if you started at a corner, the corner must be next to both a horizontal and a vertical. That means you've gone through a whole number of yellow-red cycles. That means that the number of yellow edges of the polygon is equal to the number of red edges of the polygon. So the total number of edges of the polygon must be twice the number of yellow edges, and so must be even. Now, it can't be 0, and it can't be 2, because you can't have a polygon with 2 sides. But are other even numbers possible? Yes, they are. We'll look at another diagram to show this. So now I'm going to show that one of our polygons can have a number, any number, which is even and at least 4. But we'll begin with putting 2 cells next to each other, and that gives you 4 sides. And what I'm going to do from now on is to add an extra square cell to the diagram. So to pass from here to here, I put an extra square cell above and right up here. Now this cell edge was part of the original side of the polygon. That's disappeared, but it's appeared again up here, and we've got another new side for the polygon with that cell edge, and the side over here, well, this extra bit of side simply extends the side that was there already. So we get a net contribution of +2 to the number of sides. And as you pass from this diagram to that diagram, by adding a new unit cell there, exactly the same sort of thing happens. And you can make this diagram as large as you like, alternately putting a new unit cell up and right, or a new unit cell to the right. And that solves the problem.